In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Claude AI account in just a few minutes. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just curious about the capabilities of advanced AI, this simple step-by-step guide will get you set up and ready to explore. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type Claude AI and press Enter. This will take you directly to the official Claude AI website, which is the starting point for creating your new account. Make sure you've spelled it correctly to avoid any phishing sites. You've now arrived at the Claude sign-in page. Here you have two main options for creating an account. You can either use an existing Google account for a quick setup, or you can sign up using any other email address. For this tutorial, we will be demonstrating the email sign-up process, which is a universal option for all users. The next step is to enter your email address into the provided field. Click on the text box that says enter your email and carefully type in the address you wish to associate with your new Claude account. Double check for any typos to ensure you receive the verification email. Once you're confident the email is correct, click the white Continue with Email button located just below the input field. After submitting your email, Claude will send a verification message to your inbox. The screen now confirms this, instructing you to check your email for a link or a code. This is a crucial security step to confirm that you are the owner of the email address you provided. You'll need to open your email client in a separate tab or on another device to proceed. Now, you can either click the link directly in the email, or you can retrieve the verification code and enter it here. Let's choose the code option. Click the Enter Verification Code link. The page will update, presenting a new input box. Go to your email inbox. Find the email from Anthropic, the creators of Claude, and copy the numerical code. If you don't see the email within a minute, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. You can also use the Try Sending Again link if it doesn't arrive. Once you've entered the correct verification code and verified your email, you will be logged in and taken to the Claude AI dashboard. You'll see the main chat interface ready for your first prompt, and there you have it. You've successfully created and verified your Claude AI account. You are now ready to start exploring its powerful features. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.